Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out this IT Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. I love trying out mascaras and this one sounds incredible. So this is more of like a mini sample size that I redeemed ipsy points to get. But the full size version of this mascara has such cool packaging. It looks like a hairbrush, kind of. It's, I guess, in partnership with Drybar. So the wand is like kind of designed around the way like is it a paddle brush works? Like at Drybar when you get your hair blown out and you get that volume and that oomph. Well, that's what this is supposed to do for your lashes. Yes, a barrel hairbrush, and this has biotin infused in the mascara, which is awesome. Biotin is great for hair, and it's supposed to give 19 times the volume. I'm so excited about that. The full size retails for $26, and basically when it comes to mascara, I want to see a ton of volume. I want like a falsy lash effect. So I am very picky with my mascaras. Ooh, I do like the look of this wand. Very like packed, dense bristles that are, I think they're like the brush shape, but this definitely looks like it's going to be able to get all of the lashes with a lot of volume and product applied. Here you can see what the wand looks like. So I'm going to jump right in and start applying it to just one of my eyes so that we can compare the difference. I also normally would curl my lashes before applying mascara, but when I'm trying out a mascara for the first time, I don't use a lash curler because I just like to see if the mascara itself gives any curl, and I actually am seeing a little bit of lifting already. Ooh, and this is doing a great job of coating every lash with no clumping, and the lashes are still staying separated, which is what I really like to see. A little bit harder to get it to stick to the ends of the lashes, so I'm gonna have to try and like tap the ends to try and get that length. But that is some nice volume and definition for just the beginning coats of applying this. Wow, I'm already liking how my lashes look. We'll let that top layer dry down a bit and I'll see how this is on these lower lashes. Oh, I'm also loving how the wand is not messy. No mascara on my under eye, no mascara on my eyelid, and it's very easy to coat all of the lashes. So I like this as a lower lash mascara as well, because really I just want them all coated with no clumping, a nice dark color, and to not make a mess on the under eye, and this is perfect for that. So now I'm dipping the wand back in and let's see what kind of a volume we can build up on these top lashes. I can definitely hear Dexter barking upstairs, so you might be able to hear him too. Maybe there's a delivery. Ooh, but this is adding that volume, but keeping the lashes separated. This is exactly the look that I like to achieve. I want it to look like so many lashes. I want them to all stay individually separated, which they are. And no clumping. So wow, this really is giving the falsy effect that I was talking about that I look for. And this is giving some lift and curl to the lashes. I'm trying to kind of tap the ends to get as much of length as possible. But wow, you do not have to sit here and layer forever, because I would say I can already stop. I thought I would have to do a few more coats to get more volume, but this is exactly what I'm looking for. Oh my gosh. So look at the difference with it versus without it. It looks like I put on fake lashes. It looks like I have so many lashes somehow they are being curled and lifted. I'm surprised by that because I have such straight lashes, but oh my gosh, it enhances the eye so beautifully with just this mascara. And I feel like it's drying down so that it's not going to be smudgy or clumping, which I'm going to continue wearing this for the rest of the day, and I will update the description down below with the wear test and let you know if it did smudge or not. Because like when I smile, my cheeks will rub against my lashes and my mascara, and sometimes I get such awful smudge marks on my under eye cheek there, and that's not what I look for in a mascara, but this one I'm hoping will not smudge like that. And I am blown away by the fact that I did not get any mascara on my eyelid or my under eye. This left eye that I'm applying to now is the eye where I do tend to get a little bit more messy, and it does tend to get on the eyelid more. So I'm trying to be careful. Oh, as soon as I said that, I hit the brow bone there. But okay, that's a little test. We'll see if it dries down and if I can just brush it away rather than it smudging. But it is super easy to apply. I love this brush. It really does such a great job of coating every lash and keeping the lashes separated. That is so important to me with a mascara, because once those lashes start kind of clumping together, making them look more sparse, that's when I don't like how the lashes look and I don't like the mascara. But this seems to not do that at all. And that it's a great lower lash mascara as well. So quick. Gosh, I already want this in the full size. I just think this is exactly my perfect mascara that I'm always looking for. And I'm so picky, but it is so great. I'm actually going to be doing my engagement photo shoot soon, so I'm going to be doing my own makeup for it, and I really think this is the mascara I'm going to wear because it enhances the eye, really just gives that gorgeous falsy lash effect that I'm looking for. Like, I don't even think I would put on fake lashes with this for my engagement shoot, because this is doing everything I want for my lashes. But wow, I'm not sure that this even really called out how lifting and curling it is, but it really looks like I used a lash curler. Wow. I love how my lashes are looking. Let's see if I'm able to dust away. It's not smudging, but it's hard to remove. So it's a good thing I don't have eyeshadow on with this mascara getting on my eyelid, because I really had to rub pretty hard for that to come off. But wow, this mascara is so good. This is the type of mascara that I'm going to be comparing others to. And if they don't give me this look with my lashes, I'm not really going to like them, because this is what I'm looking for. So if you've tried out this mascara, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And if you've found any other mascaras that give this same type of look, this effect, this separation and volume, let me hear those recommendations in the comments down below as well. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.